How to fix Windows 10 default apps missing after updating error. Here are some tips that would help fix Windows 10 default apps missing after updating error. 1. Check your system for virus/malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Reinstall default apps using PowerShell, admin mode. GitOps package alusers for each AdOps package register $_install location, \manifest.xml disable development mode plan B, re-register apps using PowerShell on Windows 10. Reg delete HKCU \software \Microsoft \Windows NT \current version \tile data model \migration \tile store /va /f GitOps package type bundle %AdOps package register disable development mode $_install location plus \ops metadata \ops bundle manifest.xml $bundle families equals GitOps package type bundle package family name GitOps package type main not $bundle families contains $_package family name %AdOps package register disable development mode $_install location plus \ops manifest.xml 3. Uninstall the update. Plan B, update your Windows. Ten. 4. Perform a clean boot, then remove the troublesome software using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 5. Go back to the previous version of Windows. 6. Remove and reinstall the missing apps via Microsoft Store. 7. Turn off your antivirus before upgrading. 8. Disable God mode. 9. Install the update manually using the Media Creation tool. 10. Create a new user account. 11. Repair the application. 12. Repair or reset the app in question. 13. Run Troubleshooter for Windows Store apps.